Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I just unboxed a Karz recycling box, my local liquidator. His info is down in the description below. I paid $275 for this pallet of basically bathroom space savers is primarily what ended up being in here. And if you haven't seen the full unboxings, go ahead and check it out. It'll be linked at the end of this video, or you can just go on my YouTube channel and find it. But $25 for it to get shipped here, so I'm all in at $300. Most of it's going to go Facebook Marketplace. Let's see if we can make our money back. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so Paul is mic'd up, I'm mic'd up. You're going to kind of get to see the decision-making process of each item we decide to sell. I've got my clipboard here. Most of it's going to either go fire sale or Facebook Marketplace. So we're going to actually price each item with our little tags here so that we don't have to do it later. And we've got our scanner here too to also decide, is it going to go on a different platform or what was the original price. So let's start with this shelf way over on the end. It's kind of a really neat, unique shelf. So I don't see a price on it. So we're going to go to Target, see if we can't find out what is the original price on this one.
I was going to guess $10 on a fire sale.
On the fire sale?
But I could be way low on that.
Okay. Hold on one sec. I got to plug in my... I don't have my things plugged in. There we go. Now it's going to register. There it goes. All right. So normally this wood and metal...
She's got the Target website.
I got the Target website. Yeah. It's $25 on Target brand new. This is basically brand new. We're going to go $10 just like he said. So he's pretty good at guessing. But I wanted to let you know anytime we scan, we're just going to make sure we're giving over half off on all of these items. All right. So we got $10 in the bank. Already. Then we have tons of these. So some are silver, some are brown, but they're all going to be about the same price.
Yeah, they're too big for Facebook Marketplace, or not Facebook Marketplace, fire sale. But Facebook Marketplace, you want to scan the barcodes right at the bottom there. Is it? Yeah.
Okay, I can see it right here on the back. There's one on the back, so I'm just going to leave it there, and then you can show everybody kind of what it looks like. So we have some that are silver and some that are these brown colors. This one is nice and still sealed. They are going for $45 online. So I will probably $20 on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah.
So how many do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4. You have one with an open box. So why don't we just say 3?
Okay.
That way we're not estimating too high there.
Okay, so $60 on all of those.
We'll probably get $20 for those.
Probably, yeah. So then I have these two-way shower rod mount systems.
No clue what those would be.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and scan them. That's why we like to have the Target app open, because it really does help to try to give us an idea. We love to go over half off on a lot of these. Okay, so normally this currently right now is selling for $37. And we have a few different sizes, so I'm going to say $15.
$15
a piece. We've got brown. We've got a brushed nickel. We've got some silver ones. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $15 a piece. 6 of them. Can you do the math fast, Paul?
15 times 6.
Yeah, 15 times 6 is
30, 60,
$90.
$90.
$90.
You did it quicker than I did.
Well,
it's because you're a genius.
No, not a genius. It's just those occasional mistakes that happen, and I get ahead of you. Usually he's faster at numbers than me. All right, then we have this cool guy. This is definitely a fire sale. So this is a oil diffuser.
I'd say it's either going to be 5 or 10.
Well, let's see what the original price is, and we'll just go from there. Not even on there.
Pop on there.
Okay, I say $5 on this because it's a small enough item. Yeah.
It is pretty small, very lightweight. It's just a plug-in.
A plug-in, basically oil diffuser. So we'll go $5. You get a good deal. Then we have these threshold over the toilet space savers. I was smart enough and unboxed them all, stacked them all the same.
You did a good job.
All right. So let's see if I can find a barcode. There we go. We got it.
I think you have 3 of these.
Yep, it looks like it. And I think they're all the same color too. All right, these are $45 a piece.
Ooh.
Yeah.
$20 then.
So $20.
246, $60.
So $20 we're going to put on that. And
the nice thing about Facebook Marketplace is they don't have to pay for shipping either.
Right. So we can usually price them a
Heather's
little
getting
lower.
known as a lady that people, when she posts things, they show up.
They show up, and they know
Pretty
they got to buy
quickly.
fast. Okay, so here are shower curtains with rings. These are really cute shower curtains.
Those could go on
the fire sale?
The fire sale, oh yeah.
All right, well, let's see how much we can get for these. We're definitely going to do about a 50 to 75% off on these.
Didn't pop up?
No, it did not.
We were doing $10, but I don't know if this was a $10.
No,
sometimes they'll say on the packaging.
I don't see the original price on these. I don't know. I think
You want to go?
Well, we have 6 of them. We could just go $5 a piece on them.
You want to go 5? Okay.
Yeah. So 5 times 6 is $30 there. And
It'd be perfect for like kids going back to college.
Yeah, I mean.
Of course, they're probably back. Oh, everybody's back in college now, but still.
The nice thing too is you could buy more than one. Yeah. And then definitely have a replaceable one, and they come with the rings, which is nice.
So 6 times 5, $30.
$30 on that. All right. Then we have this cool rack that can either sit in your bathtub or on.
You want to try that fire sale?
I think this is small enough for a fire sale.
I think $10.
So $10 on this for the fire sale. Stick it right here on the tag. Perfect. All right, then we have this little cute lamp.
Oh, the lamp, yeah.
Yeah, he was hiding in here. So this cute little lamp, we're going to go, it does have a barcode. You want me to see what it's originally going for?
Sure, you can try.
Okay. Get this ready.
That could be a fire sale thing.
It could definitely be a fire sale thing. So. It did pop up.
I'm thinking 10.
$10.
It's in good shape. I wouldn't go lower than 10.
Yeah, $10.
That's kind of a nifty little lamp.
I didn't write down that other one. Okay. 10 for this cute little lamp. There we go. And then we have these tension caddies.
You have one open box, so I'd say let's just say 2. And then
okay, because we have 3 sitting here.
Right, we have 3 sitting there, but I'd say 2, and then I'll try to check the.
Yeah, can you scan the barcode? Do you have access to the barcode there or no?
I do not.
Okay, I just thought maybe you saw it. So I'm going to have to tip it up here. The one that I just tipped up has a spider on it that I just murdered. I'm all about killing the spiders. There. All right. This one sounds like it rattles a lot because this is the open one that we're probably not going to sell. So these usually go for $30 on Target. So I'd say let's chop it in half, $15.
$15.
Yeah.
15 times 2, $30.
Yep, $30 on that. So we'll go ahead. I'm going to stick it on this one because we're not going to sell this one that's kind of rattling around. Oh, look
I
at
can
this.
open it and check.
We can see if everything's there.
This one could be fire sale. It's got like a few little scratches on the top, but not too bad.
But the little spring thing works.
It works, yeah.
Then it has a liner on the inside, so you take this part out, which is really nice.
It's a nice little trash can.
I like these for bathrooms. I like having lidded trash cans.
I don't know what that would be. I'm thinking in my head like 15, but I don't know.
I'd like to go 10 just because it has a few little blemishes on it. So let's go 10 on it. There we go. $10 for the cute little baby trash can. All right. Then this one has a kind of a boogered up corner. I think that's why I ended up in liquidation, but it looks like it's fully intact. So we'll definitely check it out. But we've got a couple of these. Now I stacked these a little funny. So there's this one that's a wall mount one. So I'm going to set this one down because it's different. We'll check that in a minute. Then we have a couple of shelves. I thought we had another one of those over the shelf ones. Is it down here? Nope. That's the laundry basket one. All right.
I'm going to pull the laundry basket out.
Well, there's 2 of them.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
There we go.
Okay, so these are the same? These 2 boxes?
Those were... Oh, I don't know what that was. I thought that was still the laundry basket. Let me try to pull it out.
Okay. That's another shelf. Okay. So we've got...
These are pretty beat up boxes, so they do make me nervous. I'm going to have to go through them to see.
All right. So let's go $15 on the laundry basket hamper shelf, don't you think?
Yeah. I'd say only say 1 just in case.
Okay.
Because what can happen is, because this has been open, I can take, since they're the same, if this has a damaged piece, I can probably take it from this one.
Right. Okay, so we have the laundry basket hampers there. We're going to set these here. And then here's the other over-the-shelf one, but it's a different brand. Now, this is a nicer brand, so I'm definitely going to scan that one and see how much is it going for original
It's got a
price.
Clearance tag on it.
Oh, does it?
It was $76.
Clearance down to 76?
Yeah, clearance down to 76.
So originally it would have been higher. So I say, do you want to just go like 35 on Facebook Marketplace?
Sure. The thing is, it does look like it might be open, so I'm going to have to open it and see why was it opened.
Okay, and we put what, 10 on that, right? On the hampers, or 15?
I can't remember.
What did I put on that? 15 on that, and then 35 on that, and then this over-the-door shelf. This one's a little bit more particle boardish, so
it makes me nervous because it's got the really bad damage.
We'll just have to make sure that one of the boards is not broken, and I think we're fine. So I think let's go $10 on that, and I think it's going to be in good condition.
I bet you get more than 10 for it, but I just got to see what it's going to be.
And then this cute little shelf, I think we could go 15 or 20 on.
Really? How about you scan the barcode? I just don't know.
Okay. Where's my scanner?
See the scanners by the lamp.
There we go. Okay, normal price for this is $35.
Yeah. Cut it in half with $15.
Yeah. It's over half off.
That is a genius. She got it right again.
I know my Target furniture.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, $15 there. All right. So let me write that down. All right. Then we're going to wander on over. Oh, wait. Here, I got this wall shelf here that I'm going to... This one here looks beautiful and still intact.
Yeah, that was in a great box.
Yeah, so I'm going to say 20 on that one.
20?
Yeah, because it's brand new and no issues with it. And it's a solder like that expensive one. It's that different brand. So, well, expensive for Target.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not
better than the Made by Design Target brand.
Right. Okay, so we're going to wander on over to this side.
We already know these two are $20 a piece.
Yes, because we've sold those on the fire sale, $20 a piece.
The last one we had went real quick, so I don't think we'll have a problem there.
So we're just going to do this, put $20 there, and then we'll put 40 on the board. And then we had a couple of...
Do you have your scanner? I think there's a barcode you might be able to get to over there. Let
me set up the computer to scan it real fast. So tell us, what are you seeing there, Paul, in that thing? What is that?
That is just another bathroom space saver.
Okay.
But
where's the barcode?
I think it's on the far right. See it over there?
I see it. Right there. All right, and it is showing that it is going for around $80.
So this one we actually opened on the last video.
Yeah, and it's in great shape.
Great shape.
So I say let's go 35 on Facebook Market because it's a large item. I want to get rid of it fast.
While you're marking that down, what you can do, I just pulled this out for
fun.
These are so handy, not only when you build, but at the beginning or the end of it, they give you a parts list. And if you're trying to figure out, do I have all the pieces, you really need one of these things. And so some of those other items over there, I'll take this booklet and go through, or their booklet, and go through them to see if they're all there. So that's how we see if they have all of the packaging.
Yeah, and this box that these two caddies are sitting on is the exact same thing as that.
Right.
And so we're going to go another $35. And then this is the fun part. These are all basically tension shower curtain rods. Now, I may be able to get some of these to move, but right now, just in total...
I'd say $40.
I'd say $40 in all of them. Now, we do have a couple that are really cute and decorative.
Right, you might get more.
But I don't want to itemize, go through each one. So we're just going to put a blanket 40. We could make up to 70.
Some of them might go to recycle also.
Yeah, and we might,
recycle.
or we might have a sword fight with them.
We might have a sword fight with them.
Or jousting match. So we're going to add up all the numbers and just see exactly where we end up as far as our totals. Remember, we are all in at $300. Let's see if we make the money. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. All right, so unboxing this pallet did not take up a lot of time. But the one thing that you do notice is looking at the tables next to me is it takes up a lot of space because all of these items were really huge. So when we added all our numbers together, we ended up with $575. Remember, I paid $300 for it. So we're going to take that off. And my total profit for this Karz recycling pallet ended up being $275. So not too bad. It won't take me long to list this because there's not very many items, but it does take up a lot of space. So I'm going to price it right. I probably would have made more had I tried to get a little bit more money out of it, but I don't have a lot of space. So we're going to sell it for real cheap and still make $275. So hopefully it's been fun to watch this Karz recycling, household items, unboxing, and pricing. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey guys, I have a bunch of new product on Hooked on Pickin, so go ahead and check it out. They're great gift ideas, purses, knives, toys, even reseller guides if you'd like to get into this business yourself. So hopefully it's been fun watching me do this video, and make sure you subscribe.